Hello everyone, this is Yajing Lu. I am a PhD student at School of Communication, Hong Kong Baptist University. This is a reflective video for the course Teaching University Students. So basically at this video, I try to answer the question of how will I integrate the insights gained from this course into my future teaching practices to enhance learning outcomes. Here is today's agenda. So basically I'll talk about my previous learning and teaching experience, my future goals of teaching practices, and approaches to achieve ILOs. First of all is my previous experience. To be honest, I have very few teaching experience. I only performed as a teaching assistant to help the teacher enhance their teaching quality. I think from this course, I really learned from how to switch my role from a student to a teacher. First of all, since I have been students for a long time, it really helps me to stay in students' feet, which is really important because our teaching is always student-centered. But meanwhile, I need to train myself as a professional instructor to give lessons to the students. I still remember at the first course, Dr. Lisa Law has asked us a question, what makes us a good teacher? And she provided 8 good teachers quality for us to refer to. So for me, my future goals of teaching practices, the first and the prioritized one is to be a good teacher. To achieve these, I will utilize the outcomes-based teaching and learning. The OBTL model helps me to understand the process of learning experience. We need to set our intended learning outcomes, we need to provide the teaching and learning activities, and then to access the outcomes with proper assessment. I also benefit from the useful sources I learned from this course, like the Solo taxonomy and the Bloom's taxonomy. It helps me to clarify my intended learning outcomes, use very precise words to describe what I want to achieve in my course. Also, we can learn from the constructive alignment. It helps me to understand I can provide step-by-step learning process, utilize to select very proper teaching and learning activities based on what kind of content or theory I want to teach. Here is my sharing. Thanks for listening, and here are some references. If you are interested in, you can refer to.